Hello guys, how are you? In this video, I am going to share you some tips, 7 tips for your better English conversation, and you'll be speak with fluency and might be a good confidence. So let's get started. First is slow down and pause. It means speak more slowly. Rushing makes you sound nervous. Pausing when you forgot a word makes you sound thoughtful and innocent. Second thing is that use strong positive words. It means replace weak phrases like "I think this is good" with confident statement like "This is amazing." And the third thing is that practice with your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use hand gesture. Good posture help you feel more confident. And the fourth thing is that record yourself in a video, record your voice and listen back. This helps you to spot mistakes and track your improvement over time. The fifth thing is that shadow confident speakers. Mimic news presenters or confident speakers in English. Copy their tune, pronunciation, and rhythm to build your own confidence. And the sixth thing is that fake it till you make it. Pretend to be confident even if you feel nervous. Acting confident can help you actually become more confident over time. And the seventh thing is that practice regularly. Use English every day, even it's just talking to yourself or practicing in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the less you nervous you'll feel. Confidence is not about being perfect, it's believing in yourself and practicing consistently.